Causes of various forms of violent extremism. First, dysfunctional homes, according to the review of number of actual evidence, which was discussed between the professional literatures with various different insights. The increase of violent extremism is found to be parallel with the rise of family conflicts, which mainly includes parents' divorce or deprivation of parental love. This may sound rather vague, as it may not be a major affliction in this discussion. However, it is absolutely vital for the public to understand these factors which are affecting a lot of students who become rebellious due to these reasons. Media itself can also give a huge impact, especially on teenagers and also children. This isn't just an assumption or just some theories, but actually it has been researched by the National Institute of Mental Health. They managed to find out there are a few major effects of seeing violence. On television, like children may become less sensitive to the pain and suffering of others. Children may be more fearful of the world around them, and children may be more likely to behave in aggressive or harmful behaviors towards others. Video game violence is also another factor in the same scope, but we can see our stethoscope shows that 90% of adolescents aged between 12 to 17 play video games on computers, consoles, smartphones, and also tablets. Many of today's most popular games, such as Call of Duty, Grand Theft Auto, also GTA, shows violence. We can conclude these type of games have a very strong and yet powerful influence on adolescents. Due to much exposure to violent games can cause individuals to have an increased aggressive behavior and can also cause a decreased empathy and pro-social behavior.
Salam Namaste. My name is Hazim Rosman. I am 16 years old. I am the conductor of STAR Wind Orchestra. In my point of view, being in an orchestra is all about cooperations and tolerance between each other. Those are the key factors that can pursue us to work together as a team and achieve the unity among us. Playing music is also one of the ways for us to deliver the good vibes to the world, since music are known as the universal language. It is because no one can whistle a symphony, it is a whole orchestra to play. In the end of it, music makes us to unite even though we are different in everything.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Daniel Hakim and I am a member of the rugby team in Sekolah Tuan Abdul Rahman. So, in my opinion, co-curricular activities such as rugby can prevent you from even thinking of extremist ideologies in a way of togetherness. This means by playing and training rugby on a daily basis, it teaches us teamwork, which is something crucial in a team. Because we should realize we are a team and also we are like family. We know that in a team there are different types of people from all walks of life, sizes and shapes, different strengths and different races. But rugby teaches us that no matter who you are, we should always keep in our minds that we are always a team. My conclusion is by learning togetherness, we can help each other realize that extremism is something not even worth thinking about.
Foreign language in our respected school, Sekolah Tuanku Abdul Rahman Ipoh, we also learn other international languages such as French, Japanese, and also Arabic. We can also know more about a new culture. In a nutshell, by learning new languages, we can also learn the beauty of different cultures, and it also teaches us that every culture shows a good example of peace and harmony. Future classroom. As a school of global excellence, we have been doing research that majority of students get bored while studying and learning in a simple class. They think it is just a waste of time, and they also think that learning is useless. In Sekolah Tuanku Abdul Rahman Ipoh, we have 4 future classrooms. By establishing this classroom in Sekolah Tuanku Abdul Rahman, we managed to change the students' perception about learning and studying. This future classroom actually made studying a lot of fun and interesting, making learning more effective, thus making them learn the extremism is wrong. Sekolah Tuanku Abdul Rahman Ipoh is a school which takes spirituality seriously. We take Islam seriously to make sure that students and teachers live in harmony. We also have talked about Islam to show that extremism is wrong. And we are seeing now suicide bombers and terrorists think they know the real meaning of Islam, but they do not. We educate our students to avoid being influenced by this kind of dangerous activity. In the preliminary report, in the Executive Summary of Malaysian Education Blueprint 2013-2025, education plays a central role in any country's pursuit of economic growth and national development. I will state the 5 aspirations for the Malaysian education system. Assess where there will be only 100% enrollment across all levels from preschool to lower secondary by 2020. Quality, which means our country will target to become top third countries to score wonderful by assessment such as PISA and TIMSS in 15 years' time. Equity, which means by a 50% reduction in achievement gaps by 2020. Unity, which is an education system that gives children shared values and experiences by embracing diversity. Lastly, efficiency, which is to have a system which maximizes student outcome within current budget. There are 6 key attributes needed by every student globally. One of them is knowledge. Every student in the world should be knowledgeable, but not only based on their syllabus, but also on general knowledge. General knowledge is very important now due to general question given in exam. Next is thinking skill. Students of the 21st century should have thinking skill which are fast, sustainable, and also precise to create useful ideas. Next is leadership skill. In my opinion, all students have characteristics of a leader, but they won't show their skill. But now students have to show if they are a worthy leader or not to everyone to show how dominant they are in leading. Next is bilingual proficiency. The student in Malaysia and in my school must speak fluently, especially in English, because English is an international language, making it very important to learn and get used to. Next is ethics and spirituality. This means students in Malaysia and my school must be morally educated so that individual student good behavior. This will avoid chances of critical cases such as bullying, torturing, and involved in terrorism. Lastly is a national identity. National identity, which is the expression of one national identity seen in positive light, which is characterized by the national pride and positive emotion of love for the country.